Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Minecraft OpenGL Error 1282. If you are playing Minecraft with custom mods or shaders, and your chat box is getting completely spammed with OpenGL Error 1282 Invalid Operation, your game's visual rendering pipeline is clashing with an external application or shader pack. I will show you exactly how to stop this error and fix your game right now. Let's get started. First, the absolute fastest way to stop this error from ruining your gameplay is simply to hide it. In the vast majority of cases, the error itself does not actually break or crash your game. The real issue is the extreme lag caused by the text constantly spamming your chat. Press the Escape key, click on Options, select Video Settings, and then click on the Other tab at the bottom right. Locate the specific toggle labeled Show GL Errors and turn it completely off. This instantly stops the game engine from printing the annoying debug text to your screen, letting you play peacefully. Next, if you actually want to fix the root rendering cause instead of just hiding the text, you need to adjust your background OptiFine settings. Go back into your main video settings menu and click on the Performance tab. Locate the setting explicitly named Render Regions and switch it to Off. Custom realistic shaders frequently clash with OptiFine's attempt to optimize chunk rendering, so disabling this single option frequently solves the core 1282 invalid operation glitch without breaking your custom graphics. Finally, if you are not using shaders and the error still aggressively appears, a third-party gaming overlay is actively interfering with Minecraft's OpenGL drivers. A massive number of players have discovered that the Razer Cortex optimization software directly injects code that causes error 1282. Open your Razer Cortex desktop application, navigate to the In-Game tab at the top, and explicitly toggle off the custom display option. If you do not use Razer software, ensure that other active overlays like Discord or the AMD/NVIDIA in-game menus are temporarily disabled to stop them from hijacking the rendering pipeline. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.